Hey, what's up guys, my name is Swapnil Shrivastava and welcome back to your YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you about an app called Ad Learning. So Ad Learning is a very good alternative to the Termux app. It comes with a pre-installed Linux environment and it also has the desktop or GUI installed in it. So you will get a full access to a Linux environment just by installing the app, the Ad Learning. You don't need to do all the installation process that you normally do in the Termux app. And along with this, it also comes with a very hefty and useful tools installing it. Like you will get access to the Visual Studio Code and you will get access to the Jupyter Notebook just by installing this app. You don't need to do anything. And along with this, you will also get a lot of the importance deep learning and AI model building frameworks which comes pre-installed in it. Like you can use the TensorFlow or OpenCV or the Pandas or all the other different modules or framework that you normally use in the Python for building any sort of the artificial intelligence or the machine learning models. And it also comes with the pre-installed models examples, like you can use this app to open the OpenCV projects, like to detect any face and to detect any type of object in front of your smartphone camera. Like it will tell whether this object is a smartphone or a pet or anything. So this thing can be used just by using your smartphone. So this video is going to be so much useful for all the students who is watching this video. So if you are not able to purchase any laptop or if you are lacking behind just because of your economic condition, you can use this method to use these things on your smartphone, and you don't need any PC. You can build your own ML or AI projects just by using your smartphone, and all this thing can be done just by installing the Ad Learning app. So let's start this video and see how we can do this. Here you can see guys, I am on my smartphone. So first of all, go to the description, you will find the download link. Just click on it. So it will land you to this web page. It is a shortened URL web page. You simply have to slide down and click on this I am not a robot, and here I have to solve this captcha. Okay, so select all the square with the traffic lights. So here it is, click on this, now click on the next. So you have to select all the squares with these crosswalks, click on the verify. Now here you can see it is checked. Now click here to continue. Now click on this and click on the back button. Click here to continue, click on this again, click on the back again, and you can see your link is almost ready. So this is basically a shortened URL web page, and it helps us to maintain or sustain this channel. It gives us little bit amount of revenue in return. So just go through this process and you will get the download link. So you can see the timer is completed. Now slide down and click on the get link, click on the back again, and it will land you to this web page, that is the Google Drive download link of this app. Now click on the download button and click on the Chrome, click on the download anyway again, and click on the download. So you can see it's downloading the file. Now here you can see download process completed. Click on the open, click on the install. Here you can see installing. So before installing the app, make sure that you have a very good amount of storage free in your smartphone, like around 10 to 15 GB, because this is going to download a Linux environment and install it. So it is going to take a lot of storage. So just make sure that you have a very good amount of free storage. Okay, now click on the open. So you can see it will ask you for the permission. Click on the allow, and now it will start the download process for the Ad Learning. So just make sure that you have a very good amount of storage free in your smartphone, otherwise this step will be fail and you have to do everything from the start. So just make sure that you have a very good internet connection and a very good amount of storage. So this step is going to take around 30 to 60 minutes, just depending on internet connection speed. So just wait here. So meanwhile it's downloading, let's come to our sponsor of this video. So this video is sponsored by the Hostinger. So Hostinger is one of the most cheapest and best way to host your website. It provides all sort of important tools that you normally use for handling any sort of the website, and it provides different type of the plans. So one of the most famous plans is the premium web hosting and single web hosting. So single web hosting is for the beginners, but what I personally like is the premium web hosting, and I am using this to host my website. So the website that you normally see that I use, like geekydrive.com, is hosted by the Hostinger. So it provides a lot of tools, like you can firstly install the WordPress directly by using their auto installer, and you will get 100 website to be hosted with the help of the premium website plan. So you can use the premium web hosting plan and you can host 100 website. You will get 100 GB SSD storage to store your datas, and you can easily handle a large number of traffic for your website. You will get a free email, free SSL, and along with this you will also get a free domain, and there will be unlimited bandwidth, and you will get a managed WordPress account, and you will get a 30 days money back guarantee if you don't like this plan, and you will get unlimited access to your database. You will get a Git access and SSH access. So this is the one of the cheapest and best way to host your website. So just make sure that you go to the description and find my affiliate link. Use that link to buy the plan and help us to grow this channel and just sustain it. So if you want to support this channel, just go to the description and find my affiliate link. Just click on the affiliate link and buy the plan. So that way you can help me and just help this channel to sustain. So thanks Hostinger for sponsoring this video and making it possible for all of you. So let's go back to our app and see whether download process is completed or not. So here you can see, after completing of all the steps, it will land you to this desktop, and here you can see there are some very useful tools or softwares comes pre-installed, like VS Code, Jupyter. Even you can use the XFCE GUI, and you can use the Add Code for doing the coding inside their own coding app. So let me just give you a quick overview of some of the apps. Like first of all, let me open the VS Code. So here you can see this is the VS Code. So let it open, it will take little time, and here you can see, so you can simply create a new file and start the coding, and even you can add some different extension related to any sort of the programming language you want to use. So you can use any programming language, whether it is a Java, C++, or even the Python. Anything that you want to do, you can simply just do it using this app. Okay, so you can use this VS Code for any sort of the programming. If you don't have any PC, this can be very much useful for all of you. Now let's open the Jupyter. So here you can see, so this is the Jupyter, and you can just create a new file here like this, Python 3. So it will work like you normally use any Jupyter software on your PC. So it is very much same, nothing is different here. You can just run any like Python command here, like and you can run this one. So it will save the 5 value inside a variable name value, and you can simply type here VALUE, it is the variable name, and you can click on the run. It will just print the value stored in it, like here is the output, that is 5. So it is like a normal Jupyter that you normally use on your PC, and it can be used on your smartphone now. So if you don't have any PC, and if you are very eagerly want to learn the programming and want to build something, but you are lacking behind because of your financial situation, like you can't afford any PC or laptop, so you can just follow my channel. You will find a lot of the videos, and this is the one of them, and you can use this method to build any sort of Python AI models or any sort of the project related to the Python, or even you can use the VS Code to build any sort of the web app or the Android app. Okay, so let's jump to the XFCE. Let me open it. So here you can see it's connecting to the GUI or the desktop. So basically it is given some cool looks of macOS, but it is generally a Linux with some GUI or the themes based on the Mac installed in it. Okay, so you can use any of these tools given here, softwares here, and you can use this one, or even you can just click on the cross and come back here and use others. Okay, you will find some apps like APK builds here, and even you can click on the examples to see some of the examples that you can run on this app. Like here you can see, you can use this to make a face tracking AI model or the projects related to the Python. Even when you slide down, you will find that you can also run this side of the project, because it comes with all the most important packages of Python pre-installed in this app. So you can just open it, this project. Like here you can see, I can click on this one and it will land me to this code, and you'll find all the codes related to it, that how it's work, and even you can click on the play to run it. Okay, but I'm not going to do this because I'm just giving you a quick overview of this app and how much useful this app can be. Okay, so this is the very much useful. Even if you find some numbers of the app downside, you can see, you can check all of this by yourself, because I'm not going to give you the full overview because this video is already getting very long. So this is the very quick overview that how much useful this app can be. So that's all guys for this video, and before leaving this video, just make sure that you go to the description. You'll find my affiliate link of Hostinger. Just go and use the plan that I shown earlier, and you'll find it very much useful. So thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, good luck, and bye, take care.